All right, a chance to clean up on a very quiet weather day here across the valley today. Enjoyed sunshine down south, a few clouds up north along Highway 200. And in the central Dakotas, radar showing a couple of flakes drifting through the sky there. Out to the west is where temperatures are currently warmest. Jamestown and Devils Lake at 15. It's 11 in Grand Forks. At this hour, Wahpeton Breckenridge is 7. Looking across western Minnesota, temperatures near 10 degrees and the winds finally tapering off. They've been pretty robust throughout the day from the James River Valley into the Sisseton Hills, but now falling under 15 miles per hour for many locations. And would you just look at that as we approach the equinox coming up here a little later this month? The setting sun will happen exactly in the western sky, and it's a beautiful picture right now. Hector International, 11 degrees at this hour. Southwest wind blowing at 9 miles per hour, making it just a wee bit wind chilly outside. Now, as we take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, clouds north, as we set things into motion, we'll still see some of those clouds, particularly out of the central Dakotas, shifting into the eastern third of North Dakota this evening. Temperatures will quickly drop this evening into the single digits, and where it remains clear the longest, that's where we'll have a chance at seeing the coldest morning temperatures. But by and large, we're not going to drop too much tonight. We start out our day just above or just below zero with wind chills between 10 and 20 below. So bundle up your bus riders if they are indeed riding a bus, and if not, bundle them up anyway. As we take a look at your midday forecast, a mix of sunshine west, clouds from the valley and east. Temperatures slowly climbing. It will be warmer tomorrow, but only modestly so. We'll stay in the teens. Average highs this time of the year have hit 30 degrees in Fargo, so still about 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. Cooling off quickly into the evening once again, but a dry day. It's a dry cool. All right, as we take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, 2 below first thing in the morning with some wind chills that will be less than warm. As we go through the afternoon, peaking at 16 degrees. About 3 degrees warmer than what we saw for today. It'll be a little on the breezy side from the west and northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Single-digit temperatures out to the west, 9 Jamestown on your way home from work. Looks like temperatures closer to 10 for Detroit Lakes and for Wadena as well. Roseau, 8 degrees. Here's that storm system that we showed earlier is just now getting brewing off the California coast. By the time we get to Saturday afternoon, rain, sleet, snow, wind circulating around that low pressure system. Snow will be heaviest down south Saturday. Late, it shifts north and east. And we could see some heavy snow, and increasing wind for our area happens overnight Saturday and into Sunday while the snowfall continues. We could have some pretty treacherous travel conditions with this system moving through. No, models do not agree on the exact track or timing of the storm system, but they are starting to get a little more in agreement. Here's a look at snowfall, the heaviest of which looks to be Fargo and points south and east on the American model. European model agrees, cutting things off a little farther south. So we'll keep you updated. Until then, we'll keep scraping the frost off our windows too. This one Dan captured in Ada. Thanks for uploading your photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast. More modest warming Thursday. And then as we go into Friday, wow. Real good. 23 degrees, the warmest day by far. Saturday, a chance at breaking freezing again, but that's when the snow returns in earnest into Sunday.
So it's good to have a few days of quiet weather before the weekend hits.
Yep, find a place for that snow now.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.